Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC, this is crazy, guys, because regardless of what type of good news, what type of bombshell they drop on us, what type of catalyst, what type of revenues, what type of record-breaking things we do, it's never going to amount to anything, guys. We'll never see the price action of this good news and good catalyst in our favor. But soon as we get an itsy-bitsy drop of little bad news that ain't even got to be that bad, just any type of bad energy in the atmosphere or any type of company or the overall market, we definitely is going to see the stocks, the Dow, all indexes go down just like Fraser, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, because this is insane. Like I say, all the good news, all the good momentum, all the good catalysts we have going our way, we never get any benefits from it. We never get anything, anything never happens from it. But as soon as we get a small amount of fear or small amount of bad news, you already know, guys, the stocks come dropping down like crazy. So anyways, let's go ahead and see exactly what's going on, because your boy was definitely wrong on today, guys. Something in my eye. Your boy was definitely wrong on today, guys. Wrong. I definitely expect the market to see a continuation, especially being for the fact that a lot of major stocks had closed near resistance, which was more easy for them to easily break through that resistance point on this morning to see that continuation, guys. But we got an opposite reaction, totally opposite reaction. It's a lot of back and forthness going on. We seen how we got some of those gains back on yesterday. The market was doing lovely. The day before yesterday, the market was bloody, and it's bloody again today, guys. So let's go ahead and see what's exactly is going on, because we never know what type of news is going to come out in the next day of the market, what type of news that could come out to dictate the direction of the market and cause trouble. So let's go ahead and see right here, guys. We see stocks are lower after the release of May job reports. Stocks are down as Wall Street digests the release of May's better than expected job report. Yesterday, all three major stock indexes posted strong gains. The Dow Jones is down 1% today. The S&P 500 down 1.7%. The Nasdaq fell 2.7%. The U.S. economy added 390,000 jobs in May, better than the 328,000 estimate from the Dow Jones. Although it topped expectations, jobs growth in May did slow compared to April, when non-farm payroll grew by 436,000. The employment rate remained at 3.6% in May, third consecutive month being at that level. So we also know Tesla, guys, shares fall in pre-market as Musk reportedly wants to cut 10% of the jobs. So Musk is doing the same thing as Coinbase getting rid of some of their staff as well. It's a lot more other large cap companies that's getting rid of some of their employees, being for the fact that their profits and revenue isn't coming in as hot as it was before, guys. Being for the fact of inflation steady rapidly rising, interest rates going up, consumers aren't spending as much as they were before. At least that's what they expected to happen to come. So they going ahead and preparing for it early on, guys. Being for the fact that we know once we did our research and data points, just as we was expecting before we seen the research, that consumers, being for the fact that this new generation that we in, consumers are still spending at an all-time high until it actually catch up on them. If inflation steady keep rising, things continue to get higher, and employees pay, wages doesn't increase as well, and it finally catches up, then I could see a slowdown in consumer spending. But if things start to get back to normal eventually, sooner rather than later, then I will still see consumer spending at an all-time high. So you already know, guys, that's why these companies is going ahead and prepare themselves early on before the disaster come. So this thing is wild, guys. We got AMC trading at $12.40 at the time of this recording, guys. We know we came down to $12.90 to test support there. We broke that on yesterday, so it gave us an indication we could come down to that $12.50 territory. And if the market wants to come down harder, we already know AMC could come right back down to that $10 range, guys. So you already know, guys, like I say, it's hectic out here. We got to continue to stay 10 toes down, because the market won't be like this forever. You might as well go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity that's in the market right now, because that's how you're going to get the majority of your wealth back, guys, from buying and investing in these quality companies at very